Hello guys, welcome to Easy to Make Design. In this tutorial series we discuss about Adobe Photoshop CC, and in previous video we learned about how to enhance the brightness and color and improve the quality of the image in Adobe Photoshop CC. In today's video we learn how to create a selection and work with popular selection tools and fine tune the edges of selection in Adobe Photoshop. So let's start. Very first we start with basic selections. Use a selection to edit part of an image. To make a selection, adjust only the selected area. A selection isolates part of an image, so you can work on that area without affecting the rest of the image. In the tools panel, select the rectangular Marquee tool. Drag a rectangular selection onto the image. The area inside the animated border represent your selection. The area inside the animated border represent your selection. Select a layer you want to adjust, then try applying some adjustments in image adjustments. With the selection active, adjustments affects only the selected area of that layer. The same is true if you were apply a filter or paint, fill, copy or make other edits. These changes will affect only on the selected area of the layer, of that layer. To select less, click the subtract from selection icon in the options bar or press Alt and drag. To select more, click the add to selection icon in the options bar or press Shift and drag. When you are done, deselect by choosing Select, Deselect or pressing Ctrl D in Windows or Command D in macOS. Now we'll use the lasso tool. In the tools panel, select the lasso tool. This tool is useful for cleaning up a selection that you started with another tool. To add a selection made with any tool, press Shift and drag around the area you want to add. To subtract from a selection, select the subtract from selection option in the options bar or press Alt in Window or Option in macOS or drag around the area you want to remove. Press Ctrl D in Windows or Command D in macOS to deselect. Fine tune a selection. To fine tune a selection in the Select and Mask workspace, to enhance a selection, make a selection with a selection tool like the Quick Selection tool. In the option bar, click Select and Mask to open the Select and Mask workspace. Go to the View menu on the right side of the workspace and choose one of the view options like Overlay for a more accurate view of your selection. In the Overlay view, the selected area is clear and the non-selected area is translucent red by default. In the Tools panel, select the Brush tool. Paint on the image where you want to add to the selected area. If you want to subtract from the selected area, press Alt in Windows or Option in macOS and paint on the area to remove. Scroll down on the right side of the workspace to the Output settings. Output to menu and choose Selection as the output type. Then click OK to close the Select and Mask workspace. In today's video, we'll learn how to create a selection, work with a popular selection tool and fine-tune the edges of a selection in Adobe Photoshop CC. In the next video, we'll learn how to remove unwanted objects by cloning and fix other imperfections in your images with retouching tools in Adobe Photoshop CC. Till then, please like, share and comment on this video and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for such more videos and press the bell icon to get notified when we upload new videos.